Curve Finance, one of the biggest decentralized exchanges, experienced a massive exploit on July 30th. $100 million worth of cryptocurrency was at risk, and as a result, Curve experienced a massive flight of capital. But Curve Finance's loss immediately turned out to be Uniswap's gain, and the best time to understand Uniswap is right now. For a long time, the crypto exchange landscape has been dominated by a choice between two extremes. Either A, centralized exchanges like Coinbase or Binance that give you a ton of liquidity by connecting millions of buyers and sellers with one another through deep order books, a lot of bids, and a lot of asks, but a centralized point of failure by design. So if, for example, the local authorities shut down such a business, funds might get stuck in limbo indefinitely or even end up lost for good. Decentralized exchanges that don't have such a centralized point of failure and where you can retain access to your private keys, but unfortunately, where there is nowhere near adequate liquidity in a lot of cases. Much more freedom, but much less liquidity, if you will. Uniswap was created back in 2018 to prove that there can be another way by leveraging, number one, the Ethereum blockchain, and number two, liquidity pools. Uniswap is essentially a protocol, a decentralized liquidity protocol to be more precise. And as almost everyone knows, a centralized exchange connects buyers to sellers through an order book with bids and asks, or traders to traders, if you will. And Uniswap connects traders not to other traders, but to liquidity providers. Thus, there are two sides involved. Liquidity providers who send tokens to the protocol's liquidity pools so as to be rewarded through some of the generated trading fees and other perks, and traders who trade not with other traders but with, you guessed it, Uniswap liquidity pools. These liquidity pools are governed by a simple formula which ensures that large trades execute at exponentially worse rates, with further potential imbalances sorted out by players who engage in arbitrage. Uniswap's native token, called Uni, is strictly a governance token which lets users have a say in the future of the protocol, but its importance should not be underestimated, with a recent example being represented by Uniswap version 3 contracts going live on the Polygon network after an overwhelmingly positive 72 million to 503,000 vote in favor by token holders.